The Valentine's Day dinner with Mommy. Woo! Mommy made the drinks. Look at that. And Mommy made the food.
Oh, Mom.
Yeah.
I want to show that you got the straw.
Oh, I got this straw. You can.
Oops.
Oops. It's cool, huh?
Yeah.
Look, Jeffrey even gets me a rose, a beautiful rose.
Yeah, that was from Mr. Pups.
Look.
Say thank you, Mr. Pups.
Thank you, Mr. Pups. Oh, you cannot see it so much, but look.
Oh, yeah. Excuse me, Mom. I'm going to put the microphone.
Ooh, so, and also Jeffrey got a present. Mommy gave him a car. Oh.
Oh.
Okay, Jeff.
Ow.
Yeah, Mommy gave Jeffrey a car. Oh, look.
Oh, also that Mommy brought me a balloon.
A balloon, sure.
Oh. This is a
No, Jeffrey, like that. Look. Can you read what it says?
Happy Valentine's. Happy Valentine's Day. Mine? That's just mine.
Yeah, that it says mine. My
Little boy. Jeffrey. 2-14-2012.
2012.
What does it?
I love you.
Jeffrey.
2012. 2012. From Mommy. And say Ma. Okay.
Let's put that back up.
Yeah.
Okay.
So come. Oh. Come say, come here. Give Mom a kiss. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
To everyone. Let's send a kiss. Happy Valentine's Day.
Does that have a print on me?
Oh, no. This lipstick doesn't leave any prints.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
Because I use a good lipstick. So here is our table.
I got it.
You got it?
Oh. Oh, look, that's when it flew up high.
Huh?
Look, that's when it way up high.
Yeah. What? Yeah, go up. Yeah. Our house is simple, huh, Jeffrey? But we have a lot of love, huh?
Yeah.
So, let's go enjoy our dinner?
Yep.
So, can we say bye-bye?
Bye.
Bye!
Happy Thanksgiving.
Not Thanksgiving, just Happy Valentine's.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day. Bye. Okay.